Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Cooper City local and long-distance movers near me. A good mover can simplify your planning, preparation, and execution, plus give you the peace of mind of knowing that you are in good hands. Finding that mover starts with choosing a professional. A mover registered with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration and has an excellent record for safety and customer service. In Cooper City, that full-service moving company is 3 Movers. Our experienced crews will make it possible for you to relax and enjoy the process. They can handle everything from start to finish if you want, or you can pack, and we can load the truck and do the driving. If you need a mover in Cooper City to help with your residential or business relocation, it's essential to identify a moving company you can trust. You probably want a mover that is licensed, insured, and has experience in the local area. 3 Movers is all that and more when it comes to local moves. We have a great reputation, and we have earned it by providing superior service to our customers year after year. We know you will be happy with the moving experience we provide, and we want a chance to earn your business. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cooper City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.